Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! Adeline Vlog. Ayun, nabuhay na naman ang aking channel. Medyo tinamad lang ng ilang taon. So, dadalhin ko kayo ngayon sa seaside. So, yan bago. Dahil lagi ko naman siyang ina-upload kaso sa short video lang. Even siguro short video rin to. So let's go. Look guys, it's a buffalo. It's government buffalo. So they can walk everywhere around here in Lantau. So we're going to seaside, which is this way. Let's go. So we have a barbecue. Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa Lantau Island. Yan. It's nice pretty out today. You hear the sun? Ito ang buhay ko. Andun yung Big Buddha. Yung banda. Sa likod niyan, Big Buddha. And ito naman yung Tongchong. And andun yung Central. So ang layo ng binabiyahe ko talaga maghapon. Not maghapon. Tuwing linggo. Yeah.